Hi, this is Mark from Show Me Construction, and today I'm going to patch this hole where I replaced the thermostat in the last video that you saw. So with that, I'm going to pull this thermostat off, and I'm going to put drywall mud over this section. I'm using 5-minute quick set light mud that I'm going to mix up and patch this hole. This one's just a thick paste here I have now. It's just a small hole. I'm going to basically just fill it in like that. With a thick paste, you're able to do that. Especially since there's a little bit of a hole there. Now I'm just kind of smoothing it out. And I may have to go over this again one time after I get this all smoothed out here, just to finish that last little bit of the hole. Because I'm not going to put tape on this one. And that's pretty much it. And I'll let that set up. And then I'm going to go over it one more time to fill that in, and that should be good. I could have cut this section out larger and put a piece of drywall there, but it's such a small hole that I didn't want to do that. I'm just going to use this 5-minute mud. This will get hard. I'll put another layer over it. Okay, this is the second coat. Okay, that's pretty much it. Okay, that's the patch. It just has to finish drying. Just do a little bit of a light sand on it and then paint it to match the wall, and it's done. Thanks for watching. If this has helped you, please hit the subscribe button below.